إليكم داخل قارب طوال الرحلة.
Please keep your arms and legs inside the boat at all times.
That's why we're doing it, okay.
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh. It's like a water slide. Oh, look at this.
Oh, it goes like all the way down there. Oh, yeah, this is what we saw from the entrance.
Oh.
I wonder what that is.
I'm listening for like the sound of Falcon's flight going. I think it's coming. Yep, there it goes. Empty train. Is it gonna like valley?
Right here.
Jeez.
It's cycling. I'm so happy to see that.
Oh God. Do we just have to go straight there?
Yeah, but no chance. Oh God.
Like I want to get a daytime ride on it for sure.
Exactly.
Oh, that's why there's it's a credit because of the. Oh, listen to that! Oh my God! Oh no, that's the drop tower.
Right. Oh yeah, I was just saying.
That would be really cool.
Like I don't feel like we're here. Like,
No, we're not here. It's not real.
oh dear.
Oh boy, we're gonna get wet.
Oh. Oh.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! I thought that was gonna go over. Oh my God, that would have been terrifying.
Whoa!
Oh, we're gonna get really wet on this part. Oh. The good thing is we don't have to ride this again.
This is so
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh, the music just popped back on. Oh!
Wait, what?
No way!
What?
There's no way.
It's turning off, right?
There's no way that's staying on.
No. Oh, no.
No way!
Fuck.
Ah! Oh my God! No way!
No.
What the fuck?
Are you serious?
For your safety, please keep your
What?
legs inside the boat at all times.
Yo, what? I am.
Yeah, Falcon's Flight is definitely next.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh, oh yeah, I am. Oh, okay. Oh my God. What the fuck? Why did they do that? Why is that turned on? No. Oh my God.
Well, that's why the water is so wet.
Oh my God. That's demonic, dude. Oh my God.
Turn off!
What the hell? I didn't even have my hood up or anything. Oh, fuck. Fuck. That was evil.
Man, I don't even care anymore.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What on earth? There's no way that's real, dude. What the hell? That is evil. That is evil.